to Stuttgart from Herzogenaurach. I have the pleasure tonight to announce the winner in the category FashionTech. To be the winner in this category, 4 questions must be answered with a clear yes. First, does the product solve a real problem for the user? Has 3D printing technology been used in a new and innovative way to solve the problem? Is the process and materialization sustainable? And last, and no less important, do the design aesthetics appeal to the consumer? All of us on the jury agree, yes, 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 and yes. That's why the winner in FashionTech of 3DPC2021 is Hexa, James Cook and his team. Big, big congratulations to all of you. You did a fantastic job.
Oh, we didn't think that was going to happen. That's incredible. It's such a privilege to have won this award, especially in fashion. That's such a surprise. Wow, we did not think this was going to happen.
Well, it starts off with a 3D scan. So we take a 3D scan of your head shape, and that's around 30,000 data points to within about a millimeter accuracy. And then from that head scan, the data is actually sent to our systems that are based in the cloud that automatically design the parametric design honeycomb structure to your head shape, which means that, you know, we've got a helmet that can be sent then to a 3D printing facility. These 3D printing facilities typically manufacture things for Formula One and aerospace, so super high quality manufacturing processes in place to control things like, you know, the 3D printing sort of nuances. And from that, the helmet is then sent to a fulfillment center and it's all put together and assembled, because actually what's really nice about the product is it's not all molded in one piece. The shell is detachable, so you can have different types of shells. The chin strap's also detachable, so you can, if the chin straps sort of wear away, you can replace those, you can replace the padding. So we've made the helmet in a very modular design, which should be much more beneficial for the environment, because you're not sort of throwing away a helmet every time one piece breaks. But also it's just a much more efficient way of manufacturing directly to the consumer and not shipping products all around the world, you know, with distribution channels and manufacturing in China and things like that. So it typically takes us, we say to customers 3 to 4 weeks, but in an ideal world, we can actually manufacture that custom product in more like sort of 48 hours.